Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly chop up type. This is into raster images because I'm saving them to PNG format, and this I'm going to select some text. I've just created this text already, just basic text, and using the old touch type tool as well, so you can actually create some variations there. So once you've done that, got some artboards, so I'm just going to click the artboard, and you see the artboards there all there, and you can see the artboards appear there. So type is actually over each of those artboards, obviously not the bottom ones, but I could do that just quickly by resizing, so I could actually make it go over. Okay, also of course I could even, if you want, you can also rotate it and apply other sort of effects as well, maybe make multiple entries of type. Right, once you've actually done that and it's spread over the artboards, you can go over to File and Export, and it goes to PNG, and I'm going to call this just type. Very original. Type, and the key thing, set the use artboards, and I'm going for PNG, so it's got type and export, and I'm going for all. Of course you could actually select which ones you want, so if you actually don't want all of the type, you could actually set a range as well. So export, and you can see the type there, so and now I'll just quickly process it. Takes a few seconds, minutes, whatever, depending on the machine. Sometimes it's quite quick, sometimes it's quite slow. I've gone for 72, but not 300, because that takes a bit more time. Go to the Finder. Now, those images I created earlier using the same sort of thing. So there's type. So you can actually see the type there. See the different type, and you can go through. Each of the PNG files have got individual letters, text. So obviously it's made up of different things, very rambly sort of, and so you can really create sort of interesting sort of ransom note designs or whatever. There's a whole heap of things you can do with that. Just go back to Illustrator, and again you can obviously just vary that, and again you can go maybe rotate it again, maybe I'm going to duplicate it, so I'm holding the Alt down and just duplicate the text, and again just rotate the text and add on top of that, and again maybe create another one. I'll just hold that down, and of course you could type any text, you don't have to go with this text of course, and you've got a ramp sort of mess there, and File, Export. And again, one of the issues that always gets me is use artboards. Actually defaults back to no artboards, so I'm just going to go for type 2, and again all, and export. Okay, and there you have it. You've got to just going to go to the Finder, and you'll see it just creating type 2. Again, you can see the chopped up type very badly against this screen, so I'm just going to select that one instead, and you've got the PNG. You can actually see the type maybe a little bit better there, all chopped up in a few seconds. And of course you don't have to use 9, you could use 19, 20, 50, whatever. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.